Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Sorkar jela da ka jingkmen kala Pynkup Burom kirang berkithai Ïakhun kti ki balawan ra ya kana berke Burom ya keri berkhamtam ya ka jela Meghalaya ha ka World Arm Wrestling Championship aja apusau balalong ha Maldova jong keri Europe men ha ka khat santering haduk ka priutrik ubnai nailar kini kithai berkirang ya leka jong ka jela ki bami khmat ya keri India shakni ka World Arm Wrestling Championship aja apusau ki kunthup ya ka Starina Jasan silver medal na ka Ïakhun Haka left hand grandmaster women 60 kg but yo ro ban khur ya ka bronze medal na ka Ïakhun right hand grandmaster women 60 kg ka kong Margaret Pathau ka bala yo ban khur bronze medal na ka Ïakhun left hand master women 60 kg but kumjuru ka yo ban khur ya ka silver medal haka Ïakhun right hand master women 60 kg Kakong mi sngo bharambai kabala yo ban khur ya katakma rupa na ka Ïakhun left hand grandmaster women 80 kg but yo ruban khur ya katakma rnong haka right hand grandmaster women 80 kg Kakong Senebi Singli kabala yo ban khur hadu artli ki bronze medal but uba Hubert Paliar kabala yo ban khur ya ka bronze medal haka Ïakhun para standing 60 kg Yakini ki thai bet kirang Ïakhun kti la Pynkup Burom da ka Sorkar menta ka sngi kan rutrik unailur haka hol jong ka PCI hala shumia Haka di singi lai dalang ru menteri ramba ka Sorkar jela u konrat kongka sangma u menteri tanat yelek kai ka jela u ba Shakla Wajri u president ka MSOA u John F Kharshieng u MDC ka Malki la Imkra constituency u Fantel Jela Kadong lambat kibai de
Mengetus and motif to
Bagi nanti Sorkar government bos support di dalam berkat lang bagi association la kalau ka pemino senyang la kalau pemerintah nomor bidang juga tak Jingjop ba limba ka jingi krelang jumi ba di association di prepare bidang kita tak jingi kalau kadang ka jingi krelang ni iu ya terus jumi di kita kiu na pos yang mungkin ai kita jingi ra na kanta kini pun samla jelas jumi kanta ha berbeda berkesport dengan firman ba kini ki baru kini belum kita di ka investment untuk pelai dari di senam penangguan biasa ni turun mentakasni na orang lasai dia untuk so badangnya kata kacang turun ke juga kata kacang air ke juga di association di pun samlan cuma berjelak juga di sport sebenarnya akan kacang air ke juga di sini mula itu menginyo mungkin musuh lasai di sini ada kedua kata ciptakan bagi kacang air ke mengilang Banadu mental lagi lah yang kepenginyaran di Juli lada sports club dan association. Banadu mental lagi lah yang kepengin invest pengin itu tak kepenginyaran di kerman lada mending saya di sini dengan sans dan lada post dan yang seibat di tongso bertiap.
You have to have the real passion inside you and the belief inside you. And the real desire to make this happen and push it, to face the challenges that you have all faced, to come to this level of winning medals and defeating champions at the world stage, at the global stage. And as was being mentioned by our pastor who was here, who was earlier mentioned, talking about it, that whoever expected that our, talent and our sports persons would be able to defeat the best in the world. And that's the kind of talent that we have shown, the kind of commitment that you have shown, not just, as I said, the sports persons and the participants, but the entire organizing committee that has ensured, the association that has ensured that you have participated at this level. So my congratulations to the winners, congratulations to the participants. All of you are winners in my eyes. You may not have won the medal, but the fact that you participated, faced the challenges and competed at the world stage, I think speaks a lot about the character inside you and the determination that you had to compete at the top level. I congratulate, as I said, the organizing committee and the association. Financially, you had challenges, whether to organize this, whether to have the programs, whether to participate at the international level. It's not easy to do these kind of things, but it's your determination that has made this possible. I'm happy that from the Chief Minister's special grant, we were able to support you with about 7.5 lakhs. I know it's not enough, but whatever support we could give, as you all know that I support hundreds of associations and organizations like these, and therefore it's not possible for me to always give the entire amount. But wherever possible, we support, and I'm happy to see that whatever small support we gave, it has at least helped in really, supporting you to be part of this tournament. Having said that, of course, sports has been very, very important part of what we do as a government. And I repeat myself when I say this, but we have always believed that sports is not just about the medals that we win, but sports is about the character we build in our youngsters. The discipline, the hard work, the competitiveness, to be able to have the courage to compete at the top level, to be able to accept defeat in life and move forward. These are characters and qualities that sports builds in us, which cannot be measured simply by the medals that we give. But it is a lifetime investment we make in the character of our youngsters, in the character of our citizens. And that is the larger goal and objective of our government. And that's the reason why sports is at the center of what we try to do. The youth is at the center of what we try to do. And that's the reason in the last 6 years, I was sharing with some of our friends earlier, that we have invested more in infrastructure and facilities in our state in terms of sports in the last 6 years, more than what was done in the last 45 years put together. So that's how much focus we are putting on sports. And I'm sure the association and the Meghalaya State Olympic Association will be testimony to that work that we're doing. The amount of support we give to the associations. I remember 2018 when Bajon and the other members had come to me and they said, sir, we don't get any funds to organize any tournaments. And I think that meeting we had was the starting point of so many things that we've been able to do in the last many years. Yes, it's a long process to be able to finally say win medals and compete at the national level or even win international competitions. But it's a journey that started 6 years back, and I'm happy to see that we are really moving in a very, very positive way. And I think today's sports, this felicitation program is a testament to that belief and to that journey and that process that we are in.
Mr. Hubert, Mr. Burom, and also Mr. Johnny